Okay, so before we begin today's class, let me just uh, check a refresher with you. So yesterday we learnt a few tips and tricks, one of which was to find square of those numbers ending in 5. So please tell me, without using pen and paper, please
Sir,
don't
can
use
I?
pen and paper, what would be the value of this?
It's 15625.
So if you remember, we used to bifurcate. Answer would be in two parts. Because of 5, you write 25 here
2175.
and multiply 12 with the next bigger number. So 12 into 13 is equal to how much? 156. So बच्चा लोग, if on practicing, by the time, see, how many of you want to become IAS officers? Have you heard about exam known as IAS? Nobody.
Yes, sir.
So everybody wants to become what? What do you want to become? Engineers and doctors. Chalo, anyways. So I'm giving one more question before I start today's class. One more. Let me see how much do you remember yesterday's tips and tricks. So 900 and okay, I'll keep it simple. 112 multiplied with 118. Can you recall the trick? Sum of the digits is equal to 10. Tell me the answer quickly.
One three two one six.
3216.
So here 132 and here 16 because 2 into 8 16 and 11 into 12 132. Okay, fine, very good. So now today I am teaching you one more trick, then I will move to next sutra. As I told you that Vedic maths is all about 16 strategies. 16 strategies. Yesterday we already saw one strategy. Today we would be seeing strategy number 2. But before that, let me tell you a short trick. How can you
Excuse
find?
me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, beta, please tell me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, please.
24 into 25. How?
Okay, so you
94
have this doubt that
into
24 into 25
how?
is equal to 620. This is the doubt you have, na? See, you have done wrong calculation here because 4 plus 5 is not equal to 10. This is not correct. The trick cannot be applied here. The trick cannot be applied here because look at the last digit. 4 plus not equal to 10, to 9. So it is wrong to use the strategy here. You have done this 5 into 4 20 and 2 into 3 6. That's why this trick cannot be applied here. So did you get the answer? So dear student, did you get the answer that why this is wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is my screen again visible to all of you? Is it visible
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
let's
sir.
let's let's be serious. Let's begin today's
Yes.
class. So first strategy, finding square of numbers close to 50. That means if you see numbers which are very close to 50, for example 39 square or let's say maybe 48 square, so these numbers are really close to 50. 52 square, 53 square, then how can we find? Let us see. Let us see the strategy. Look at the number. If you happen to realize that the number is very close to 50, then you can apply the trick. So from the given number subtract 50. you will get an answer. What is the answer you will get? What is 47 minus 50?
Minus 3.
Please
Sir,
come on.
-3.
Minus 3. So you can reach the answer immediately with the help of this minus 3. So answer is in two parts. Answer can be found out in two parts. So first part is minus 3 square. So first part is minus 3 square. Second part is 25 minus 3. Whatever answer you have got, simply add that. So if you add, it comes with a negative sign. So effectively speaking, it becomes 25 minus 3. So final answer is 2, 2. What is minus 3 whole square? What is minus 3 whole square equal to?
Sir, 9.
9. So instead of 9, you have to write 2-digit number. 9. So this is the final answer. Let us verify. (47) square 2209. So I am repeating the strategy. All these tricks you will not find in your regular books. So please be very, very attentive. So as soon as you see the number and you understand that this is very close to 50, from that subtract 50, you will get an answer. Answer is minus 3. So to reach the final answer, you have two parts. First part, there are two blank spaces. Second part is 25 plus
-3.
this answer. 25 plus whatever answer you have got, you have to write square. So you have got minus 3 as answer. So you can complete the final answer 25 minus 3. 22 minus 3 whole square. So 09. This is the final answer. Now I am giving you challenge. 10 seconds. Open challenge. Nobody would be able to solve this. I know. Within 10 seconds. So as soon as you see this number, from this number subtract 50, you will get an answer. Using this answer, you will reach the final answer. So what should I write in part 2? Come on, hurry
Part 2
up.
would be 36.
Huh?
6.
36.
So
Sir,
here
part 2
I
would be
should be
36.
writing minus 6 whole square. So that is 36, already a 2-digit number. So I don't have to worry. What should I be writing here? I should be writing here 25 minus 6. That is equal to 19.
19.
1936.
So 9.
Now please,
1936.
yes, dear kids, I am giving you serious challenge. Take yourself seriously. Be not 10. If you take more than 10 seconds, then it is useless to study Vedic math. It is useless. So are you ready to solve next question in 10 seconds? If you are ready only, then I will
Yes,
show
sir.
you the question. So I think you are ready. Only 10 seconds. Please, come on.
देखो कुंजू 53 स्क्वायर है, ठीक है, 50 से ज्यादा है तो क्या करेंगे इसमें?
तो क्या करेंगे? वही करेंगे. 53 में
50 से
50 को
कम
माइनस
अपन
करेंगे. This time you will get plus 3.
अरे भाई मेरे को कोई
So this time you see that you are getting positive answer, or you can call this as deviation. So you have seen a positive deviation here. So otherwise the strategy is same.
2209.
Yeah, this time you are getting here plus 3. So part 2, plus 3 square, keeping in mind that there has to be two spaces to be filled. So plus 3 whole square is equal to 9. So instead of 9, I would be writing here 09. Now question is, what should I be writing here? Same strategy. 25 plus answer. So this time answer comes with a positive sign. So no problem. 25 plus 3, 28. So answer is 2809. We can verify this one. So 53 whole square comes out to be equal to 2809. Fine. Now, see, I have not got answer within 10 seconds yet. So I am not satisfied yet. Giving you one more question. Are you ready? Dear kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please hurry up.
Yes, sir.
Hurry up, hurry up.
So 2916.
29.
2916.
Yes.
2916.
Yes. 10 seconds are over.
2916.
Very good.
Sir, did we complete under 10 seconds?
2916.
You will get here plus 4. And rest, as you know, plus 4 whole square 16. 25 plus 4 29. So this is your answer. One last question. See, this concept can be applied to all the numbers. It is not that number has to be close to 50, but it becomes really easy if the number is close to 50. Now try solving this one.
Sir, I got it. Sir, it is, sir, the answer is 3136.
Okay, fine. 3136.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
3136.
3136. So see, students, whatever lectures you are attending, if you we will be providing you the video recording of these lectures, so that later on you can have a look at those videos and you can practice, because Vedic math is not a one-day affair. You need to be in regular practice. So don't worry, whatever you are learning, you will be provided all the video lectures of it. So now let us move to the second sutra of Vedic math. So as I already told you, Vedic math contains 16 sutras or 16 strategies. So now it's time for us to understand the second strategy. So second strategy or sutra is known as Nikhilam. So Nikhilam effectively means strategy which involves subtraction. So those strategies in which you would be subtracting. So let us build the concept first. So in Vedic math, there is the concept of complement. So if you understand the concept of complement, subtracting anything would become very, very easy for you. So please understand the concept of complement. So if you talk about any one digit number, so 3 is a one digit number. So what would be the complement of 3? So what is the concept of complement? So what should be added to 3? What should you add to 3 so that it becomes 10? So what should you add to 3? Please tell me. 3 plus 7. So you can say 3 is the complement of 7 and 7 is the complement of 3. So if I ask you what is the complement of, let's say, 9. So what is the complement of 9?
So 1.
1.
So
If I ask
one.
you what is the complement of 1?
1.
What is the complement of 1?
9.
9.
So 9.
So simply you have to understand complement are, yes, complement are digits and their partners, so that the sum of the digit and its complement comes out to be equal to 10. Now what is the concept of Nikhilam? We are discussing here Nikhilam.
Sir, can it
So,
also be 100?
pardon? Please come again.
Sir, can it also be 100 instead of?
It can be 100,
Sir,
but
can it be 100 instead of 10?
it can be 100, it can be 1000. But the problem is, since we are dealing with subtraction, so please understand what we are actually doing when we subtract. Suppose you are trying to do this 252 minus 130. Actually, we are dealing digit at a time, na? So this is how we traditionally subtract. We deal with one digit at a time.
Yes.
So that's why it is better to understand complement in terms of
Sir,
a single.
1.5. Sir, the answer is 1.5.
Please come again.
1.5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now
So
let's
the
see.
answer for that was 115, right?
For this one, okay, we will come to it. We will come to it. It was just an example. Let us see the trick first. So to understand the concept of nihilum, so as somebody said that can it be 100, can it be 1000? So yes, it can be. So let us see. If I ask you to find the complement of 237, so now you will say this is not a one digit number. Then what is the meaning of the complement? So this is a 3-digit number. So you have to ask this question to yourself, what should you be adding to this so that this becomes equal to 1000? This is a three-digit number. So this time, in an attempt to find the complement, we are interested in the sum being equal to 1000. 1 followed by 3 digits, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. That's why here 3 zeros. So this is the concept of complement. Then how can you find the complement quickly? How can you find the complement quickly? So I will tell you how can you find the complement quickly. But for now, can you tell me what should I write here? What should I write here? So tradition.
473.
Yes,
473.
Sir, 763. Sir, 763.
763. So it now let us see the shortcut.
76.
Yes, very good.
763.
Now, okay, this is traditional math. Now let us see the concept of Vedic math. So what was the question that I gave to you? 237. This is what I told to you, na? Is this what
Yes,
we?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So how can we find the complement quickly? The funda is all from 9 last from 10. What does this mean? Subtract the digits from 9 last from 10. So subtract this way, all from 9 but last from 10. So instead of 9, use 10 here. Now what does this mean? 9 minus 2, 9 minus 3, 10 minus 7. So deal with it at a time. It becomes very easy. And there you will never come
7 and 6.
7, 6, 3. So this, if you change your way of
Six.
thinking, there are two advantages. First advantage is never ever you will face a carryover. कभी carry होगा ही नहीं, because the upper number can never be smaller than lower number, because lower number is a single digit, so it can never be more than 9. So never ever you will have to deal with carry forward. The second advantage is, suppose you are doing subtraction. Generally we do this side, but in case of nihilum you can do subtraction from left to right, and never ever you will face a carryover. So this is the advantage you will just realize. So how will you find the complement of 732? 9, 9, 10. Do it mentally. Do it mentally.
Sir, 26. Sir, 268. 268.
268. So you realize that you can move in this direction. You can move in this direction. So I am giving you 3 seconds time to tell me the complement.
Also.
Please. See, this is not the trick. This is just the foundation. We will be discussing the trick which will use the concept of complement. Finding complement is not a trick. This is just an exercise which you would be using later on. Please find the complement of 2473. So this Same concept. The last digit is you have to subtract from 10.
7527.
7527.
7527.
7527.
7527. If you understand properly, 240 plus 527 will add this, answer will come out to 10,000. So this is the concept of complement. Come on, find the complement. 3 seconds. Do it mentally. 9, 9, 9, 9, but the last one from 10.
Sir, it's 1558.
1558.
1558. 1558. Very good.
1558.
Very good. Very good. Just keep on, have faith on your teacher. Just keep on doing this. You will immediately feel that your brain has become more active. Hurry up.
Sir, 21706 2.
217068. Okay, now enough. How will you do this? 1000 minus 41. See,
So the answer for that is
see here again you can apply the concept of complement. As you see that there are zeros on the roof, you have to subtract 41. So 41 के सर पे 0 है ना, totally 0. So you can apply this concept here, concept of complement. You can find answer very, very quickly, much quickly as compared to your traditional method. So as soon as you see this, apply the concept of complement. So what should I be writing here? 9 minus 4. 5. 10 minus 1. 9. Now look at the remaining number.
5 and 9.
9.
So remaining number is 10. So subtract 1 from
it should be
10.
9.
9. So this is the concept. I am repeating again. As whenever you come across these kind of situations, when you have to subtract number and above the lower number is 0, then you can apply the concept of complement. So divide answer into two parts. This is first part and this is second part. So in second part you have to apply the concept of complement, and in first part you have to simply subtract minus 1. So 10 minus 1, answer is 9. So answer for second part, apply the concept of complement. So 9 and 10. So 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 1, 9. So you can find out answer much quickly. What will you do here? So you can find the answer in two parts. This part
Sir, if
2,
it is a 3-digit
please tell me.
number down, what will we do?
Huh?
Sir, if the number above is an odd number of digits, we cannot divide it into two parts, right, sir? Then what
Yeah,
will we
of course,
do?
because these tricks are for special conditions. So of course we cannot. We will come to it on day 4.
Okay, sir.
On day 4, I will teach you how to subtract any.
So the answer for that is
So answer is in two parts. First part,
So the answer
503 minus 1. So 5. Second part, apply the concept of complement.
3. 502 30.
3, 0,
502303.
502303. Now you realize something. Never ever you have to deal with carry. Never, never. I am saying. And the second thing is you can move in this direction, and that too much quickly.
Yes.
Please solve this without pen and paper.
Okay. Mm.
Sir, 8.
These
Sir, 8.
So 8, 6.
Sir, 865817. Sir, it's 865817.
Okay.
865613.
So you can try giving this challenge to your friend. He will take at least 45 seconds. Nobody who does not know Vedic math will take less than 45 seconds. But you should not take more than 10 seconds. One last one. How will you solve this? These are the
One
type of
last one.
questions you
How will
face
you
in
solve this?
competitive exams. So how
These
will
are
you
the
solve
type
this
of
problem? Let us solve the problem. 100 can be written as this way. Am I wrong to say this is 100? Is this 100 or not?
No, sir.
Why
Sir,
not?
it is 100.
Decimal is here.
It's 100.
100. So this is what you have been asked to
Sir,
do.
0 will always be 0. We should ignore that.
Okay. So if we can use it for our convenience, then what is the harm? Is this not equal to 9? What will you call it? 9.0 is 9. This is 9. This is 9. So immaterial, how many zeros you place after
9
decimal?
decimal.
So this is what they are asking you to do. Do you understand what I am trying to highlight here? See, I will repeat myself.
Yes, sir.
Dear kids, please be attentive.
Sir, 96.7.
Whenever you have doubt, speak
Sir,
immediately.
96.76.
So this is what was given to me. But as soon as I saw that question involves decimal, so change your thinking. Change your thinking. Make preparation. So this is what they have given to you. So now you can apply the trick. How will you apply the trick? So this part 1 and part 2. Let's apply the trick. We can adjust the decimal later on.
Sir, the answer is 96.76.
9, 9, 9 and 10. So 100 minus 3 is equal to what? 97. Then 97 minus 1. So this is 96.
Yes, sir.
9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 6, 4. Now bring back the decimal. This is the... You will not take more than 15 seconds to solve, even if this involves decimal.
96.
I hope you understood this concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. Let me see how much you have understood. I am giving you 20 seconds time, but you have to promise me something. You will simply write the answer in your paper. Whatever calculation you have to do, you will do it in your mind. You have to simply write answer in your question, in your paper.
Okay.
Please solve this. I will help you.
Okay.
This is what you have been asked to do. So from here to here, you can apply the concept.
Sir, I got the answer.
Very good.
Sir, I got the answer. Sir, 826.228. Sir, I didn't do the rough work calculation. Sir, I did mine till
9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. And this one, when you try to subtract, so this will vanish. So there will not be any part 1, only part 2. So 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. So you see, you can move in this direction. Traditional subtraction involves two problems of carry and problem of moving in opposite inconvenient direction. So 8, 2, 6. Bring back the decimal. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 2, 8. See how easy it becomes if you change your perception. Please, 20 seconds. I can assure you traditionally it would have taken 1 minute. But I am giving you here 20 seconds. अगर कोई बच्चा practice में होता तो मैं उसे 5 सेकंड देता. But since it is your first time, I am giving you 20 seconds. 8700.0000. From here you have to subtract this thing. So part 2, this is part 1.
Sir, can I give the answer? Sir, can I give the answer?
Yes, please.
So the answer 86.
Yes, please.
Sir, the answer is 8643.2068.
8643.2068.
43.2068.
Yes.
8643.2068.
Yes.
43.2068.
So everybody got same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's time to move forward. One last. Because a teacher is never satisfied unless all the students come up with the right answer.
So the answer is 213.5448.
213.54449.
0.5448.
I think this is the correct answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do
Sir,
you
the answer
realize
is
that?
213.5449.
So do you realize that? So everybody had got same answer? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Now let us see how can we do subtraction of large number using complement. Now coming to your question. How can you do these kind of subtraction? 3, 5, 8, 7, 9, 8 minus let's say 2, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4. So this is as random as it can get. If I tell you the trick to solve these kind of subtraction, then everything else is included in this or not. This is random, nothing special about these numbers. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Nothing special about these two numbers. Now let us see the trick. What trick will help you to solve these kind of questions? Now let us see.
Sir, 8.44.
Okay. Let's not use traditional method. Let us first understand the trick. Now see, there is a concept of matched numbers and mismatched. Now what is this? We will understand. Let us have a look at this subtraction. 96 minus 54. If you look carefully, if you try to move in this direction, so 9 is greater than 5 or not? 9 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 4. So even if you move in 9 is greater than 5.
Sir, it is greater.
6 is greater than 4. So even if you move, I would request everybody to mute yourself. So you can unmute yourself only when you want to speak something. Otherwise it is creating echo. So please understand, 9 is greater than 5, 6 is greater than 4. So everything here is matched. Very comfortable. So even if by mistake you move in this direction, you will reach the correct answer. 9 minus 5 is equal to what? 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to what? 2. So even if you move in this direction, you can find answer very easily. But if you are trying to do this, then you cannot move in this direction. How will you subtract? 9 minus 5, 4. Then you will face problem here. 6 minus 8. Are you going to write minus 2 here? No. So there is problem. So this is the concept of matched number and mismatched number. So if you understand this concept, subtracting any two random number will become damn easy for you. So let us see what is the trick. Let us see. So look at these two numbers. Are they mismatched? So matched means the upper number greater than the lower number. Matched or not? Is 8 greater than 5?
Sir,
They're not.
Matched.
they're mismatched.
Is there mismatched? Is 7 greater than 9?
Mismatch.
Sir, it's mismatched.
Mismatched. So mismatched. There is a problem here.
No, sir.
Here there is no problem. Here there is no problem. So let us correct the problem. See, we are very adamant. You know the word jiddi in Hindi? One who refuses to change his behavior. So Vedic math also refuses to change the strategy. They simply make a few changes. What are those changes? Let us see. Let us solve this. We are very jiddi, very adamant. We will move in this direction only. Nobody can stop us. So let us move. 8 minus 5 equal to how much? What is 8 minus 5 equal to? 3. So we are going to write 3 here. But you see that in the next step, there is a problem. Answer was coming out to be 3. So to solve the problem, you send 1 from here to that side. That means you minus here 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. Right? So you have done your duty. Now you can move forward. Now focus your attention here. So you have done your duty. Here you have done your duty. Now let's solve. So there is no way in which we can minus 9 from 7. Then what do we do? Take the complement of 9. What is the complement of 9? What should you add to 9 becomes equal to 10? What is complement of 9? 1 is of 9 na?
1.
1. See, अभी आप सीख लो इस ट्रिक को. अभी आपको लगेगा दिस इज लेंदी, बट 5 minutes from now you will say ki sir what a trick you have taught us. So please be patient. So what is complement of 9? 1 is the complement of 9. So add 1 to 7. So 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 1 8. So I see that there is no problem here. So 8 minus 5 equal to how much? Please hurry up. 8 minus 5 equal to how much?
3.
3.
So 3.
3 minus 2?
So 1.
1.
1.
So this is the correct answer. If you want to verify, let us verify right here, right now.
Sir, can you explain it again?
I'll explain it again. This is a very powerful concept. This will come only after practice. 8, 7, 8, 3 minus 5, 9, 5, 2. I think this is what we... Oh. 8, 7, 8, 3. 8, 7, 8, 3 minus 5, 9, 5, 2. So 2, 8. So 2, 8, 3, 1. Answer matches or not? Answer matches.
Yes, sir.
That means the trick is working. Now let us see the trick again. I can understand that the first time you would have not got the trick. So let us see the trick again. 8, 7, 8, 3 minus 5, 9, 5, 2. So 2, 8.
Yes.
That means the trick is working. Now let us see the trick again. I can understand that the first time you would have not got the trick. So let us see the trick again. 8, 7, 8, 3 minus 5, 9, 5, 2. Tell me any random 4-digit number, 5-digit number, any random, so that ऐसा ना लगे आपको कि teacher is choosing some particular number. Tell me any random number.
9437.
Yes, 3,
Sir, 28594.
3, 38765. Somebody said. From this, I have to subtract a smaller number. Tell me any random number, but it should be smaller. That means here I can write.
Sir, 629
Tell me 9
29975.
9975. Very good.
9
Random. Now what?
702.
Acha, we will see many more examples. Don't worry. Now let us see match or mismatch. This you can do in your mind itself. Match or mismatch.
Sir, mismatch. Sir,
Sir, mismatch.
Let us see.
Sir, mismatch.
So here it is matching, mismatch, 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 and here it is matching. No problem. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to what? 2. But I have to support my neighbor. I have to support neighbor. So supporting your neighbor means subtracting 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, but you have to support your neighbor. There is a mismatch there. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. So you have done your duty here. Move your focus here. Now let's do our duty here. This is mismatch. So I will use the concept of complement. So what is the complement of 9?
1.
Sir,
1.
1.
Add 1 to
Sir,
8.
1.
Add 1 to
1.
8. So 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. But you have to help your neighbor. You have to help your neighbor also.
Yes.
Answer is coming out to be 9. So you have to write 8 here. So you have done your duty here. Move here. Move your attention here. Apply the same concept. What is the complement of 9? How many times will I repeat
1.
myself?
1.
9.
1.
Complement of 9 is 1.
Sir, 1.
1. So add 1 to 7. 7 plus 1 is
Sir,
equal
1.
to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. But you have to help your neighbor. 7 plus equal to 8. But so what should I be writing here? Instead of 8, I should be writing 7 here. Instead of 8, I should be writing 7 here.
7.
So now let's focus our attention to this position. So you have done your duty here. Let's move here. So 6. What is the complement of 7? What is the
3.
complement of 7?
3.
Sir, 3.
3. So add 3 to 6.
3.
6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and you don't have to help neighbor also. Add 3 to 6. 6 so answer is 9 here. 5 minus 5, no problem, write 0 here. So first time it looks like this take 3 to 4 minutes. पहली बार आपको लगेगा कि what a stupid trick. It is a very stupid trick. But within 3 to 4 minutes you will understand that how fast this trick is. So let us verify the answer. Just have faith in your teacher. This is not stupid trick. This is one of the most amazing tricks. So can you verify on your calculators? Because my calculator is hanging, I guess. So 3, 8, 7, 6, 5 minus 1,
Sir, it is correct.
1, 9, 9, 7, 5. So answer comes out to be 18790. So answer matches or not? Answer matches?
Matches.
Now please promise me you will do the same trick but mentally. You do it mentally. Even if it takes 3 minutes, do it mentally. Because this trick coordination between right and left half of left hand tricks that. So this trick is kind of brain exercise plus a trick. Mismatch? No. Problem? Yes. Problem? No. Solve this mentally. Advantage is you can move in this direction, the natural direction in which you write.
153.
Yes.
153.
So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, but you have to help your neighbor. 2 becomes 1. Now coming to this place, so 9 and 4. So complement of 9 is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Then here there is no problem. So this is the final answer. Did everybody get the same answer?
3.
I hope everybody got the
Yes,
same
sir.
answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. Solve this one mentally. Problem? No. Problem? Yes. Yes, I have a problem here. I have a problem here. Neighbors need your help.
One hundred sixty-seven. Sir, 167. Sir,
5 minus 3 is equal to 2. But my neighbor needs help. So it becomes 1. 8. Complement is 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. But neighbor needs help. So don't fall for trap. So 7 becomes 6. So don't commit this kind of mistakes. So now again last complement of 8 is 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. So this is the final answer. Solve this mentally. I am giving you 20 seconds. I can assure you that your competitors will take at least 45 seconds. At least 45 seconds to solve this.
Sir, 1819.
So there is problem
So
here
1809.
and there is problem here.
1809.
Yes. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. But you have to help your neighbor. So 2 becomes 1. Now let's shift our focus here. Complement of 9 is equal to 1. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 and you don't have to help your neighbor. So 8 will remain as 8. So here there is no problem. 4 minus 3, 1. Here there is problem. So take the complement.
1,
This is the answer.
3.
Let's verify.
So, 1.
8, 7, 4, 6 minus 6, 9, 3, 7.
3, 7.
What is the problem? Your answer is not matching. Anybody?
Sir, it is 0 because 4 minus 3 will be 1. The next number needs help. So we will 0 minus 1.
Okay.
1 minus 0 will
Okay,
be
so see,
So 1809. So they would be.
we did not help our neighbor here, na? So this is a crime. You should help your neighbor. Love thy neighbor. That you see. Come on, solve this. I am giving you 30 seconds. You have to write answer. Only answer. No calculation on your pen and paper. Problem, problem, problem.
3 2 आएगा इधर, ठीक है। तो हेल्प किया नेबर को, 9 - 2 7 7 को 6 2 7 किया, तो नहीं रहेगा ये यहाँ पर, ठीक है। प्लीज देखिए,
So is the answer 229794?
Please repeat yourself. 2 2
रहेगा फिर
229694.
Sir, 22964.
Sir,
229694.
very fast.
2296.
Even I have not been
9694.
able to solve this, so let me solve this. So 5 minus 2 3, but
2
neighbor
9
needs support, so 3
9 4.
becomes 2. 9, complement of 9 is 1, so 2 plus 1 3, but neighbor
2.
needs support, so 3 becomes 2 again. So here complement of 8 is 2, so 7 plus 2 9, nobody needs support. There is no problem here. 8 minus 1 7, but neighbor needs support, so 7 becomes 6. Complement of 2 is 8, so 8 plus
6.
1 9, and here there is no problem as such.
8 9
Sir, so this can be this method can be applied on any random number where big number is on top and small number is on bottom.
Of course, these are random numbers. Aren't these random numbers? Is there anything special
Yes,
about
sir.
these numbers? No.
Now what about the next question?
I'll
Those
keep on practicing. See, it is not important only to take medicine, but it is important to take medicine in right quantity. So keep on practicing this particular trick. Before we move to,
909. It's 909.
so there is a problem here. There is a problem
That's
here.
909.
That's 909. So 909.
7 minus
Yes, sir.
6 is equal to 1, but neighbor needs support, so 1 becomes 0. Complement of 9 is equal to 1, so 8 plus 1 9, nobody needs support, so 9. There is no problem here. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, but neighbor needs support, so 1 becomes 0. And here complement of 7 is 3, so 6 plus 3 9. So answer. One last one. I promise this is the last question. Then I will move to next trick. Problem, problem, problem.
Good morning, Gaurav sir.
So 640747.
640747.
Okay, so 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, but your neighbor needs support, so this becomes 6. Complement of 7 is 3, so 1 plus is equal to 4, and nobody needs your support.
So no need
7 minus 6, answer is 1, but your neighbor needs support, so 1 becomes 0. Complement of 9 is 1, so 6 plus 1 7, nobody needs your support, so answer is 8 minus 3, answer is 5, but your neighbor needs support, so 5 becomes 4. Complement of 7 is 3, 4 plus 3 7.
7 का complement 3 7
6 minus 4 is 2. This is what you got.
6 4.
Is this what you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so we have had enough of this trick. Enough. Now let us see some special cases of subtraction. Now what is special about this number? When two numbers are exactly same, will you call this match or mismatch? This is not mismatch, but this is not match as well. So
Match.
in these condition, it is neither match nor mismatch. It depends on the neighbor. So look at the neighbor. This is a case of mismatch. Okay, tell me the answer using traditional method. Don't use shortcut. Use traditional method. Tell me the answer.
Sir, 597.
597. So these kind of cases are special.
597.
Okay, 597. Now let us see the shortcut trick, because as I told you, Vedic math is very adamant, jiddi. It won't change its behavior. It will simply make modifications. Now you see, whenever your neighbor is in problem, you support your neighbor. Why do you support your neighbor? Because you are strong. But in this case, he is not strong, he is equal. So the neighbor needs support. So support will come from here. So the problem which lies here gets transmitted overall. So now what is the meaning of this? 9 minus 3 is equal to what? 9 minus 3 is equal to what? 6. But now the neighbor has asked for support. He did not get support from here. So he will take what column. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. But 6 becomes 5. 7 minus 7. Answer should have been equal to 0. 0. But 0 minus 1. The digit which comes just before 0. 9. Because 0 is effectively 2. So 7 minus 7, answer should have been equal to 0. But since your neighbor is in problem, this becomes 9. And the last column you can apply the same concept. So complement of 8 is equal to 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So I will explain again. So in one particular case, these are exceptional cases when in one particular column the numbers become same. So it is neither match nor mismatch. Everything depends on the neighbor. So neighbor is in problem. So neighbor is in problem. This column is not able to help. I can't help. He is saying I can't help. So if he can't help, write 9 here. Write 9 here. Ask help from here. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. But now he have to help. So 6 becomes complement of 8. 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So this is the final answer. As soon as somebody says that I can't help, because we both are equal, I have no extra to help you. So write 9 there. Let's take this example. Same here. Look at the neighbor. Neighbor does not have any problem. Problem is here. What are we going to do? Let's use the trick. Problem is here. How are we going to solve this? Solve this. Tell me the answer.
Sir, the first one will be 6.
First one will be 6. There is no doubt.
69027. 69027. 69027.
What should I do here? Is anybody asking help from this?
Sir,
Nobody is asking for help.
69927. 69927.
So you are telling me 69927.
So 692.
Let us see. So complement of 3 is 7. 7 plus 2
Six,
is
nine,
equal
nine,
to
please.
9. But nobody is asking for help. So what is the problem? Write 9 here. 6 minus 6. Nobody is asking for help. So no problem.
69027.
Answer will be 0 here. Simple subtraction. Nobody is asking for help.
0.
Yes, 0. Nobody is bothering it. Nobody has asked for help. Neighbor is not asking for help. So what is the problem? 7 minus 4 equal to how much?
Yes, sir.
3. But the neighbor is in problem. So 3 becomes
3,
4.
sir, but the answer will be 2
So
because
3
we have
becomes.
to help the neighbor.
So 8 complement is 2. So this is the concept. Don't worry. You will be provided the video of this lecture immediately after the end of this class. So if you have not been able to grasp this concept, I can understand. This is your first time, but these are very powerful concepts. Now see, same, neighbor is in problem. Here neighbor is not in problem. So this column is asking for help. This column is asking for help. He is saying, I can't help. I can't help. So he will say, I will help. I will help you. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. But since he have to help, 4 becomes 3. He said, I can't help you. So he will have to pay penalty, 9. Complement of 8, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Here there is no problem at all. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 2, 3.
Sir, 39503.
39503. Even
Sir,
if you do all this
39503.
drama, you won't take more than 30 seconds. Your friends will require 1 minute time. Even if you do all this drama, write all this thing, even then you won't require more than 30 seconds. So I am giving you one last question.
One 1872. So it's 1872.
1872.
1,800.
Okay. So no problem here, no problem here. 3 minus 1, 2. I don't have to help anyone. Okay, there is problem here. So 2 becomes 1. Complement of 8 is equal to 2. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, but you have to help. So 9 becomes 8. Complement of 8 is equal to 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Don't have to help anyone. 3 minus 1, 2. So this is it. Now, are we ready for next trick? Are you ready for next trick?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
next trick is multiplying any number by 999. That means this is number A. First number.
999.
If you have to multiply it with 9, first, please mute yourself. If you have any doubt or you would like to speak only then. So these kind of multiplication in which this
Sir,
second
is
number.
it like
Yeah, please.
Sir, is it like we have to multiply? So like we have to. So if it's like multiply by 99,999, we have to multiply by 1 lakh and then minus 27 from that.
That can be one way. That can be one way, but that is traditional maths. So we will have a look at shortcut. So 3 cases are possible. So we are basically talking about multiplying 2 numbers. The second number should contain only digits 9. So 3 cases are possible. We will deal each case one by one. So first case, First number is known as multiplicand. Second number is known as multiplier. So first case, the number of digits in both the numbers are same. You can see here there are 4 digits and here also there are 4 digits. So case 1, when you are trying to multiply two numbers, the second number is made up of only 9s. The digits must be same, number of digits same. So this is case 1. Case 2, first number has less digits. This number has got 2 digits, this number has got 3 digits. Here 3 digits, here so many digits. Similarly, case 3, first number has more digits, the second number has less digit. So you understood all the 3 cases, case 1, case 2, case 3. See, when I ask you to speak,
Yes,
then
sir.
nobody speaks. So there can be 3 different cases possible. So we will see a trick for all these 3 cases. Very easy trick. Case 1, number of digits of both numbers are same. It means if I am multiplying 173, so I am multiplying with what? Please tell me. Number of digits are same. Now what am I multiplying with? Here there are 3 digits.
Sir,
999.
999. Only then will this trick
Sir,
work.
999.
Only then will this trick. Now please mute yourself. Let us learn the trick. So you see the digits are same. Take the first number, subtract 1 from it. I think you can do this mentally. 853. So write 853 here. You have written 853 here. So from 853, find out the complement. But in even the last digit should be 9 only. Don't have to use 10 here. So 853. Now subtract 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. So this is the final answer. Let us see. Let us see this one. So 8, 5, 4 into 9, 9, 9. So 8, 5, 3, 1, 4, 6. I hope you can see for yourself that the answer matches. So let's see again. Let's see the trick again. Okay, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. So the trick is, have a look at, subtract 1 from it. You can do this mentally. 854 minus 1. Answer is 850. Then do the remaining calculation mentally. So 9, 9, 9. Subtract these very digits from 9. It's like finding complement. So 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. So beauty of Vedic math is you move from left to right. Just the way you write, the way you think. Solve this. 78. Write 77 here.
That's a 22. I mean,
Then
no, so wait a second.
part 2.
Sir, 7.
Subtract.
7722.
Yes. Now
7
you can challenge your friends to see how much time will they take. So those friends who don't know these kind of tricks, they are definitely going to take 30 seconds. and you would take anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds than that. So everybody has understood this trick? Has everybody
Yes,
understood this
sir.
trick? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's solve this.
Yes, sir.
How quick you can do this? 6, 3, 7, 2, and now you can start your mental calculation. So 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 3, 6.
So the answer
9
is
minus 7, 2.
63723
9 minus 2, 7.
So 63723626.
Yes.
So 360. 3723627.
Yes. Come on. Write only the answer.
So the answer is 180478195.
18046, and then you can start your mental subtraction. So 9 minus 1, 8.
81.
9 minus
So that is
1. 9 minus 0,
That's
9.
9.
9 minus 4, 5. And 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So this is the final answer that you... Did everybody get the same answer? Did everybody get the same answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am challenging
Yes,
you.
sir.
I am challenging you. If you take more than 5 seconds, that means you have not grasped the concept. So I can give you only 5 seconds. Chalo, 5 seconds are over. 5 seconds are over.
375.
375. 375. 375.
37564.
37.
Okay. Okay. Solve this one. Quickly, quickly. We have many more tricks to learn. So quick.
Sir.
Sir, 110888.
11089.
0889. Sir, 11088.
Yes. 110889. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1. So that's why. Come on. These type of questions are very common in competitive exams, but nobody knows the shortcut. But now you know the shortcut. 998.
998001.
998.
Yes, yes, very good. Now case 2. So in case 2, the first digit contains less number. That means 873. Here there are 3 digits. But here there will be more than 3 digits. 5. So no problem. You can make a 3-digit number into a 5-digit number by adding 2 extra zeros. No problem. So this is the concept. So as soon as you see there is a trouble here, add an extra 0 for your convenience and solve it the same way. Solve it the same way. Otherwise the logic is same. So please go ahead, tell me the answer. So 85 becomes 085. So 085 minus 1. So 084. Don't forget
087 294,950. So 084.
Don't forget to write 0, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. You can remove 0 later on. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. So this is the 4915. 8915. 5. Let's verify. 85 into 84915. Solve this one quickly. 10 seconds only.
77922.
77,922. 077.
Oh, very, very good.
977 0.
So can you tell me the answer?
372967. 372967.
Very good. So I am coming straight to case 3. Okay, one last one.
Eight zero three nine one nine six.
8039197.
803999196. 803999196.
9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0 again 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 0 again 9. 9 minus 3, 6. So this is the final answer. Okay, now let's move to case 3. So in case 3, first number has more digits. 4723 into 9. So here 4 digits. Here only 2 digits. So here what you have to do, so 99 is closest to which power of 10? 100. So trick would be to treat 99 in this way. 99
Yes,
can
sir.
be written as this way. So what would be the trick? There is no trick. This you have to solve traditional maths, using traditional math. So 854, add 2 zeros to it, and from that you have to subtract this number 8542. There is no trick involved in this, so I am not discussing this. I am just giving an example to you. Can you solve this one? So 378, add 2 zeros, and from that you subtract 378. So you can solve in 2 parts. Still you can have some speed. So 10 minus 8 to 9 minus 7. I am applying Nikhilum subtraction concept. So 9 minus 7 to 378 minus 3 is equal to 375, but I am going to write as 74 minus 1. 3 is equal to 370. Fine, this is the concept that we started at the beginning of this lecture.
37422.
Okay, very good. So now it's time for next trick. So I think I will teach this trick in next. Let me teach today itself. So multiplying two numbers which are near to a common base. Now what is meant by base?
So the starting form.
Okay, now let's see next trick. So next trick based on the concept of Nikhilum or substitution. So multiplying two numbers which are near a common base. So let us see. So concept of base. So base basically mean power of 10. Power of 10, that means 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So if I say 87 is nearest to which base? So 87 is nearest to 100 because it is already a 2. If I say 11, what is the base of 11? It is very near to 10. So there is no need to associate 11 with 100 because 11 is closer to 10 as 10. Yeah, please. So anybody has a doubt, so please speak up. So basically base means that number which is very close, that power of 10 which is close to any given number. So here we are dealing with a trick of multiplying two numbers near a common base. So common base, for example, let's choose base as 100. So we are talking about multiplying two numbers which are very near to 100. So maybe one number is 97, number is 103. So the numbers are very near to 100. If you talk about base as let's say 1000, then you may be talking about multiplying two numbers such as 1012, 2000 and 1008 again to 1000. So this is the trick that we are going to understand now, multiplying two numbers near a common base. So three cases may be possible. So I am explaining you which three cases are possible by taking example of 100. So example, base 100. So case 1, both numbers are greater than 100. So this can be case 1. So 102 into 105. So both numbers are greater than 100. Case 2, both numbers less than 100. So 102 multiplied by 97. So one number is greater than 100, the other is less than 100, but both are very near to 100. Case 3, first number greater than 100, second number less than 100. Sorry, this example 2 was wrong. So 2, and this is case 3. So I hope you understand all the three cases. So do you understand all the three cases? Which three cases are we going to deal with? Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's deal case 1. In case 1, both the numbers would be greater than the base. So for example, 104 and 105. What is the base? Base is 100.
100.
Base is 100. Now what is the trick? So from both the numbers, subtract 100. You can do this mentally. Minus 100. So this is known as deviation. Deviation is there.
Sir,
Don't forget the sign.
104 minus 100.
Plus 4 is the deviation. Deviation is of what? Plus 4, na? So write plus 4 here. In this case, what is the deviation? Come on, students.
5.
Sir, 5.
105 minus 100. So this is how you find out the deviation. So plus 5. So you find out the deviation, then you can answer in two parts. Since the base is 100, so 100 contains two zeros. So part 2 have two blank spaces, and part 1 there is no count of blank spaces. Any number of digits can be written. Any of digits can be written in part 1. Now what are we going to write in part 1 and what are we going to write in part 2? In part 2, multiply these numbers. Multiply 4 plus 5. What will you get? what will you get as the product?
20.
20. So 20 is a 2-digit number. So you easily fill both the spaces. In part 1 is tricky part. Now please understand, 104 plus 5, how much? 104 plus 5. Look at the diagonal, is equal to 109. Similarly, 105 plus 4 is also equal to 109.
Yes.
This is not a coincidence. This is mathematical trick. So write 109 here. Both are same. So write 109. This is the full and final answer. Answer is 10920. You can verify. Let's verify. One, 0, 4 into 105. 10920. Answer is verified. Let us see one more example. 108 and 112. What is base? Base is 100. So make preparation. 2 blank spaces here, and here I don't care how many spaces. I don't care how many spaces. But here 2 digits are to be written. 2 digits are to be written. So what are we going to do? Find out the deviation. You can do this mentally. 108 minus 100. What is the deviation? Plus 8. 112 minus 100. What is the deviation? Plus 12. So you answer is ready. Answer
Plus
is ready.
12.
Plus 12.
Plus 12.
So 12 and
Plus
8.
12.
Multiply 12 and 8. What do you get?
So the answer, I got it.
So
I
12
got the
into 8 is
answer.
96.
So should I tell the answer?
What should I be writing here? Any diagonal sum. Take any one diagonal, add them up.
So 12096.
Please tell me.
So 12096.
Yes, 120 is the answer. And final
So
answer.
So 12,096.
Yes, 12,096. Let's take one more example. Do this mentally. 17 is the deviation, 2 is the deviation. 17 and 2 is the deviation. If you are smart enough, 17 2s are 34. And
Sir, I got it.
102 plus 17,
I got
119.
it.
If you are smart, you will add one deviation on the other number.
Sir, 11934.
11934. Here the base is 1000. Base is 1000. So 1000 has 3 zeros. So I am making preparation. Here I will have to fill 3 blank spaces. 3 spaces. And here I simply don't care. I care about how much I'll have to fill. Look at the deviation. Deviation is 3. And here the deviation is 12. So 12
So 1015
12 are
036.
36. Then how will you find what should be written here? So add this extra 12. Add this extra 12 here. So 1003 plus 12 is equal to 1015. This is the final answer. So बच्चा लोग, have you understood this trick?
Yes, sir.
No, I think I will have to test you. I cannot let you go off this easily without using pen and paper. No, this will, you can use pen and paper. 20 seconds. Please understand the base. Base has 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blank spaces. 4 spaces. And here to I simply don't care. Deviation 109. Here deviation 8.
Sir, the answer is
Sir,
101.
7.
So the answer is 101170872.
Yes. So let's fill these 4 spaces first. So multiply these two numbers, 109 into 8. 109 into 8. So 8 into 100, 800, 872. So 872, I'm forced to write as 4-digit number. Therefore, I have to write 0 here because I have to somehow fill 4 spaces. So what's writing here? Add this deviation here. So 109 plus 8 is equal to 117. So this is the final answer, 1011782. So are you ready for next challenge?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question you have to solve within
Yes,
10 seconds. With ends. Please be careful about the base. These type of questions are competitive exam questions.
Sir, I got the answer. So the answer is 100020001.
9000200.
1000.
The answer is
001.
100020001.
Okay.
00020001.
Yeah, you can challenge your friend. They will definitely take almost one if you don't know the trick. So case 2. Now let's move to case 2. In case 2, the logic is same. There is no difference in logic. What is the base? It is very near to 100. So base is 100. What is the deviation? Deviation 88 minus 100. So what is 88
Minus 12.
Minus 12. So here the deviation is 12 and
Minus
here the
12.
deviation is minus 14. Rest everything is same. Since the base is
Minus
100,
14.
therefore 2 spaces here and here I simply don't care.
Minus what?
Multiply minus 12 and minus 14. Minus plus. So 12 multiply 12 with 14. What do you get? 168. You get 168 na?
Yes. 74168.
So you get 168. But problem is you have only 2 spaces here. So what are you going to do? Write 68 here.
Sir, there should only be 2 digits.
Yeah, so I cannot help it. I have no space, so 1 will be transferred. There is no space for 1. So what can I do? I will send 1 as carryover. Now what next? Add diagonal numbers. Minus 14. So 88 minus 14 is equal to how much? 74. And this 1 has come forward as carry. So 7568.
74.
Sir, 74.
Let us verify.
So the answer is 74,158.
88 into 86. 7568. Again, both numbers are very close to 100. Find out the deviation. 97 minus 100 minus 3. Here the deviation is minus 11.
3. Minus 3.
So answer is in 2 parts.
And
Here 2.
minus 11.
So minus 3 into minus 11. So minus multiply becomes plus. This was 33. And here 97 minus 11 is equal to how much? 86. This is the final answer.
So the answer is 8,633.
Yes.
8,000.
Now I'm challenging you. Nobody has been able to successfully pass this challenge. 10-second challenge. Base. Base is 1000. Deviation -9 -6.
So is the answer 99? Wait.
So 985054.
So is,
So 985054.
Okay, let us see. So multiply these two numbers.
985304.
So 54 will have written as 054, and then the first portion 991 minus 6. This comes out to be 985. One last question for today. This is the last question for today. Please be careful about the base. Base is 10,000. Deviation. Find out the deviation. Tell me the answer.
Sir, 999300012.
Okay.
999300012.
Very good, beta. Let us see. So here the deviation is of -4 and here is of -3. So if you multiply these two comes out to be 12. So 12, I am forced to write 0 here. And here you can add diagonal. So 9996 minus 3 comes out to be equal to 9993. So case 3 I would be discussing on next day, because unless you are comfortable with case 1 and case 2, you won't be able to grasp case 3. So now a few of you were telling that you are attending classes on Saturday. So is it true?
Yes.
sir, I attend classes on 10 to 11 a.m. at Saturdays.
Okay. So some
Sir, I
students,
have classes on Saturday
Okay,
from
so
8
that's
o'clock
what
to
we are
2 o'clock
discussing.
in the.
So that's what we are discussing now. So would it be convenient for
So can
all
we do
of
it
you
from
to
8 to
attend
10?
classes in the evening in that case?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
So it is a fine
No,
for
sir.
me.
Yeah, excuse me,
fine.
sir. At Saturday, I have my dance class at evening.
At what time?
Yes, sir.
At what time?
So what about noon? So noon?
Sir, I have also my classes, music and martial arts at evening.
So 5 to
No,
4.
at
Saturday.
what time? Exactly at what time?
4 to 5 and 5 to 6.
4 to 5.
That means
4 to 5.
Saturday evening is not possible at all. That's what you are telling me.
Sir, can we do
Have it in
morning
the
from 8
noons
to
from
10?
2
So 4 to
o'clock
5
4
is.
No,
o'clock.
one person at a time, please. One person at a time.
So can we do in morning from 8 to 10?
Morning.
No,
Yes,
sir,
from
it is
8 to
not
10.
possible.
No, sir. 4 to 5.
No, sir.
Okay, then let us not conduct this on Saturday. Sunday is okay with
Okay.
all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sunday
Yes,
same
sir.
time is okay? Sunday same
Yes,
time
sir.
is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How
Yes, sir.
about Wednesday evening?
Yes, sir. Wednesday evening is fine.
Sir, we cannot
Sir, I
hear you.
have-
Can you tell
Sir,
again?
I can't.
Sir, I have classes at Tuesday and Wednesday evenings.
Then
So
what
from
about
3 to 6.
Thursday? Thursday evening?
So,
Yes, sir.
Thursday I have classes, sir.
so
I have
Thursday is okay.
music and martial arts.
Sir, can we do Tuesday?
Then Tuesday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
I have classes. Sir, I have classes on Tuesday. I have classes on Tuesday.
Sir, Tuesday evening.
So what
No,
on Monday?
sir. I have classes.
Monday
I
we
have
What time?
classes.
So Monday?
Okay,
Yes,
Monday.
Mondays.
Then let's do it on Sunday and Monday. Sunday
Yes, sir.
morning,
Yes, sir.
Monday evening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Monday evening.
See, Vedic maths
No.
classes are not going to be held forever. You have to understand that. 8 more classes are left. Be logical. Out of those 8 classes, 4 would be conducted on Sunday. Fine. So we are struggling for the remaining 4 classes. So be logical. So I'm not asking for a long term commitment. So only 4 particular days. Will it be Monday evening? Monday evening, who
Yes,
all
sir.
have problem?
Sir,
Speak
I
only if you have
have
problem. If you are okay with it, don't speak. Monday evening, anybody has a problem?
Sir, me, I am
Yes, sir.
At what time?
Sir,
We
I
have
am
exam on Tuesdays.
So Monday evening gone. So Tuesday evening.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I
I
have
have a
classes.
problem on Tuesday evening and Wednesday evening.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
have classes on Tuesday and Wednesday. So Monday gone, Tuesday gone, Wednesday gone, Thursday gone, Friday.
Yes.
Sir, I have classes at Friday.
See, you will have to make choices. I am saying ki you have to attend only 4 classes of Vedic maths na, because remaining 8 classes, out of those 8 classes 4 would be conducted on Sunday. So what I will do, everybody has to suffer equally. So next
So
class
I
जो हम
think Monday
conduct
should be
करेंगे,
fine.
next week का schedule I am telling you. Next week का schedule would be Saturday evening and Sunday
No,
evening.
sir.
No, sir. Saturday
we do
evening I
Monday?
have class.
See, you will
I
have to
have
miss
classes
one
on
classes.
Saturday evening. I will not
The
join.
next week, those who have classes on Friday, they will suffer.
Sir, can
Otherwise,
we do
it's
on
not
Monday
possible.
evening?
We can do on
Sir,
Monday
I can't
evening.
do on
Sir,
Saturday
can we
evening.
do it in Monday evening?
Monday
Yes,
evening
sir,
at
Monday
what time?
evening.
We should have a consensus on that, na?
Sir, 3 to 5.
Yes, sir. 3
No,
to
sir.
5.
No, sir, I have a class.
At
Sir, I am okay with anything except of Tuesday and Wednesdays.
Sir, any day evening is okay
Sir,
for me.
4 to 6.
See, it is getting confusing. So what I will do is that I will send Excel sheets to you. Okay? In that Excel sheet, you just mention that what time you are comfortable with. So if
Sir,
I
I'm
will see
fine
that
with
at a
anything.
particular time everybody is comfortable, I will schedule it for that day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
But for today, the next class would be on Sunday. It can't be on Saturday because Saturday morning few people have problem.
Yes.
So next class.
For the classes.
Okay, can we do it on Saturday afternoon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I would
Sir,
prefer Monday.
can you do it after 2 o'clock till 2 o'clock? My classes will be happening.
Okay, fine. Then let's do it from 2:30 to 4:30 Saturday.
No, sir. I will be leaving then at 4 because there is my music class at Saturday evening.
Then I can't help you. You can go with music. Then you have to sacrifice Vedic math. So if music is your priority, then I can't help it.
I
Because-
can do for 1 hour.
Okay, you can attend for
one-
1 hour and you will get the recording. You will get the recorded
Yes.
classes, so you don't have problem. So next class is on Saturday, 2:30 p.m. So how many of you have problem? Tell me. I will send you the recorded class in advance. Only one child, Pranav,
Sir,
Arnav,
me.
Arnav the reporter has problem. Naivedya also has problem on Saturday.
Yes, Saturday afternoon after 4.
Okay, how about 4 to 6 on Saturday?
No.
No,
Sir,
sir.
after 6
Sir,
days.
can we do Monday evening?
Monday evening is fine.
No, it can't be that way. So it's done for now. Next class is on Saturday, 2:30 to 4:30. Those who would miss that class will get the recorded class. So need not worry. And
Sir, then what is the next Sunday
Thank
class
you.
timing?
next class timing is Saturday 2:30 to 4:30. You would be provided the link.
Okay.
And Sunday same timing, Sunday morning itself.
Sunday morning is fine.
Yes. In case
sir.
you miss the classes, you will get the recorded session, so you need not worry about that.
So where will we get the recording?
See, I will send the link for yesterday's and today's recorded session immediately. I mean, at around like 2 o'clock.
Okay. No
It is
problem.
actually uploaded on our YouTube channel.
Oh.
You would be also getting some PDFs and test series only after you have attended all the 10 classes. You will get PDF. You will get many more tricks and tips. Not only recorded session, but many more tips and tricks videos only after you attend all the 10 classes. So that is the precondition for it.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
sir.
next class is on Saturday 2:30. You will get the communication regarding that.
Okay, ma'am. Sir.
Okay, then have a nice day, all of you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Have
sir.
a nice day.
Same to you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.